got this remarkable opportunity to do personal research into the brain. Looks like a huge hole there. Wouldn't you actually expect, with that sort of cortical damage, that there'd be some sort of neurofunctional deficit here? Sorry, I learnt fluent neuro. Both sides of the brain are damaged. And I think, whoa. Just tell me, how might you explain this? Well, how could this happen? Yes, yes. That was it. That's what I wanted to hear. Yeah, I'd actually done what was in the theory. I'd actually built my brain. I was normal. I'm not going to be demented. I'm going to be building my brain. Of having wisdom, and then it pops out at age 50. You have to do something.